Good morning, dear.
Good morning. We hope you are all ready for a wonderful day. I'm Shazzy.
And I'm Zoya Harris, and we are honored to be hostess for today's assembly.
Today, our assembly is centered on a topic, the power of music and art.
Most gracious, most merciful.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Today's thought: music is art to the ear, and art is music to the eye.
Today I'm going to celebrate something that transcends boundaries, cultures and language, the power of art and music. These are not just a creation, it is a reflection of our humanity and a catalyst for a change. Music with its rhythm and harmony has a unique ability to touch our hearts and souls. जन्म 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 साथ चलना ही कसम तुम्हें कसम आँखें मिलना यही एक जाए भले दो बदन हो जुदा मेरी अपना शरीर कभी न करना अलविदा मेरी सुबह तुम्हें ओ तुम्ही शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम आराम हो मेरी दुआ से तुम बस ये सदा मेरी अपना शरीर कभी न करना अलविदा.
Today, 5th July, also celebrated as Bashir Day, honoring the remarkable legacy of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir.
ആയിരത്തി തൊള്ളായിരത്തി കോട്ടയം ജില്ലയിലെ മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജിൽ കലാപരമായി മികച്ച പ്രമുഖരായിരുന്നു ബഷീറിന്റെ ജനനം. നോവലിസ്റ്റും കഥാകൃത്തും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ സമര സേനാനിയുമായ അദ്ദേഹം ബേപ്പൂർ സുൽത്താൻ എന്ന പേരിലാണ് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. മലയാള ഭാഷ അറിയാവുന്ന ഏതൊരാൾക്കും ബഷീർ സാഹിത്യം ഉൾക്കൊള്ളാൻ കഴിയുന്നതാണ്. ആദ്യസമയം അദ്ദേഹം വായനക്കാരെ ചിരിക്കുകയും ഒപ്പം തന്നെ ചിന്തിക്കുകയും കരയിപ്പിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Today's assembly, I'm going to tell you a special success story. It's a creativity, a challenge on speak only English challenge. It is put forward by our new teacher, Rohit Fernando, with a new game to develop the communication skill of his art. The name of the project, Leaves Project. Never you have heard. Myself also never heard of Leaves Project. It is something special.
Idea was sparked in my head when I was discussing about communication skill with Mambo Master, and I put forward the idea, and he said like, wow, this is a great, we will definitely go forward with the idea, and I presented this idea in my classroom. So my students were so active and they were expressing their willingness to do that. I was very surprised to seeing their attitude to speak in English.
So art and music are very, very important. It makes the earth a beautiful place. You just think of the word E-A-R-T-H. Yes, that is earth. And the middlemost part of the word earth is A-R-T.
Despite her passion for music and art, she feels lost and uncertain about her abilities and struggles to find her voice. Her sadness and frustration reflect the inner critic that many of us battle. Artist and musician enters. Musician plays a soothing melody. His enthusiasm and dedication to his craft inspire a sad girl to impress her own creativity, showing how we can uplift and support each other through our talents. brings color and vibrancy to the world, showing how art can transform and beautify our surroundings. Her art is a reflection of her inner world, and by sharing it, she is sharing a part of herself. Musicians and artists approach her with empathy, creativity, and understanding. Girl starts tapping her feet. This moment represents the power of art to awaken our inner creativity.
मैं बन गया हूँ, मुझको बसा ले इनमें तू।
मेरा दिल यही बोला यारा राज ये उसने है मुझ पर खोला के है।